Stop sending cold emails. Everyone ignores them. While your domains are getting blacklisted, I am getting over 98% open rate, landing directly to the pockets of SaaS founders or business owners using cold SMS. And here's how cold email works, and then I will show you how cold SMS works. For cold email, you have to buy 10 domains, multiple inboxes, and get them warm up. And after that, is from Apollo.io, start sending mails. And most often, they land in the spam. That's not the case with the SMS. For SMS, you just have to register 10 DLC that takes around 7 to 10 days. And after that, you create an list from same Apollo.io and start sending the SMS. The benefit of sending SMS is that lands on the lock screen of the SaaS, so the open rate is much more than emails. And there is also no bounce rate in the SMS. So here's the metric gap. For the emails, open rate is 20% versus for SMS, it's 98%. Reply rate is 2% versus 40%. And time to open, it takes days to open emails. And for SMS, it's just seconds. So now let me show you and how I do SMS. First thing I do is I just register myself on smartcalls.com. You can create an account, and after creating an account, you will be greeted with to create the brand first, and after creating the brand, you have to create the campaign. So we can start with the registration of the 10 DLC. After the 10 DLC registration has been approved, you have to buy the number from here. You can buy any US number or Canada number, and then you can start messaging the people from this that you created using Apollo.io. You can just import the leads from here. After importing the leads, you can start messaging. Or you can do one more thing, that is you create a form like this or create any landing page you would like your users to come. So here's how it works. So you create an ad on the meta, and then it goes to the lead form. After the lead fills form, you just have that lead in your smart calls dashboard, and you can start sending them. Let me show you that works. So whenever I click show me my website ROI, I will get the lead here, and I can call an SMS directly from here. So this is how I am getting 98% open rate. And if you would like to learn more about how to market your SaaS products, you can check out this video, and I will see you there.